Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. You're watching my channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and Education for Us All. So many apologies for the very large break, but family circumstances, health issues meant that I couldn't do things. I have done a few things in between, like the Jalous, etc. But as you can see, we are starting the new era with our cooking segment, which of course is called Cooking Made Simple. So, going to go show you today's recipe, which is a very simple recipe, which once again my mama used to make. So she used fresh spinach. So the dish is called Saag, aloo, and anda curry. Okay, so as always, lots of ingredients and quantities as per taste. So we have various spices: salt, paprika, chili flakes, garam masala, and good old turmeric. So I like more things. So we have some ground cloves here. I think long is the Urdu for it. So बहुत लोगों ने ये भी कहा कि आप उर्दू क्यों नहीं बोलते, तो मैं कोशिश करूँगा, मगर जैसे मैंने समझा मेरी उर्दू फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज नहीं है, तो फिर इस स्टक हो जाता हूँ, तो फिर बेहतर ऐसा ही है कि मैं इंग्लिश में समझाने की कोशिश करूँ. Okay, so we have cloves, we have ground ginger, and we have thyme, and we have another herb here, methi, ganufreak I think is the English for that. Then whole chilies, this is garlic, and to garnish we have some coriander. Okay, so let's make a start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Can we add some oil in here, please? So I am ably assisted by what can be described as Mrs. A Junior. Okay, so she is camera shy, but obviously she is a very good cook, and she is going to help us in this task. What I did forget, is that we have frozen ginger and garlic and some green chili there. So we're going to let the oil heat for a minute or so. Okay, the oil has warmed. Let's put in the garlic, the chili, and what was that? The ginger. Okay, we're going to let that melt, and then add in the onions. We're going to give that a few minutes. Okay, viewers, as you can see, the garlic, etc. has melted. Can we add the onions to that, please? Okay, it's quite a large amount that we're making, so we're going to give that, I think, at least 7-8 minutes to soften. Okay, so the onions have gone into the mixture. Okay, viewers, as you can see, the onions have softened very nicely. So we're going to add 2 more things to that then. Can we add the tomatoes, please? So these are going to form part of the dish. So, I mean, if they were to be part of the paste, then we would have added them a lot earlier. Can we give that a bit of a stir, please? Okay, mix that really well. And once that's mixed, can we add the potatoes, please? So I have actually pre-boiled these. So I would say these are around about 50% boiled, so they won't need as long. Okay, but if you are not going to pre-boil them, then obviously it needs a lot longer. So it was a bit dry, so we're going to add some water. Okay, and if you want to quicken this, you can actually put the lid on, but we're going to leave it open for a while. So we're going to cook this for about 6 minutes, viewers. Okay, viewers, the potatoes have cooked nicely. We are now ready for the next stage. Can we put the palak in, please? Okay. So I'm using tinned. If you want to use fresh, then that is entirely up to you. Obviously it's going to take a lot longer. So with this being tinned, it contains a little bit of water and a little bit of brine, and that needs drying. So we're going to cook this for about 6 more minutes. Okay viewers, that's cooked very, very nicely. What we're going to do is the next stage, which is putting some garlics. I like to cut it into small pieces, but if you like larger pieces, that is entirely up to you. So our wonderful assistant, Mrs. A Junior, is demonstrating how it should be done. Okay, so the garlic has been put in there. Whilst that is cooking, we're going to prepare the next thing, which of course is eggs. Okay, so we're going to prepare the eggs now. Can we prepare the eggs, please? Okay. And as you can see, we have used 6, and it is entirely up to you how many you use, of course. So you must keep an eye on this as well. Of course, we've got a few things in here that you need to keep an eye on. We've got the potatoes, you've got the garlic, etc. Okay viewers, we're going to whisk the eggs and add in the masalas as well. So as you can see, we've got salt, we've got pepper, chilies, we've got turmeric, and we've got chili flakes. So we can give that a good whisk and a mix. So whilst that is being done, as I say, we must keep an eye on this as well, so that it doesn't get too dry. Okay, that's mixed nicely now. Can we have that in the main mixture, please? Okay, the egg is going to go in now, viewers. So eggs, as you will know, cook very quickly. So this needs turning very, very quickly. So if we can keep turning this, please. Okay, so make sure it cooks. So we're going to cook that for about 7-8 minutes. We did forget to put these in as well, viewers, so we're going to do that now. That's ground cloves, ginger and thyme. And at the same time, we're going to add the fenugreek, the methi. After around about 3 minutes, we can add the fenugreek, the methi. So methi add करेंगे. Okay जी. Okay, so there are about 2 minutes left to the timing that we had. We're going to put the green chili in now. Okay, so as per taste again, we are adding 6 to it. Green chilies. And that is looking really lovely. There we have it, viewers, our final product. Saag, aloo, anda curry. Just one thing remaining. Can we garnish that with coriander, please? As you can see, lots of greens. Okay, so we'll just put that in a plate for you to show you the final product once again. There it is in the pot. We'll show it to you in the plate. There you have it, guys, the final product. A lovely, lovely, lovely saag, aloo and curry. So I do hope you will like try it, viewers. Please keep watching, keep subscribing. So until the next time, I say thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Please tell all your friends about the channel. Until the next time, once again, thank you. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना। अल्लाह ने के बाद।